Hello guys, today we prepare a candied lemon zest, lemon ring, lemon reed. There is different name in English. So it's the skin of the lemon. Now I remove the skin from 3 lemons. I put them in the water. Now for 2 days we need to keep the skin in the water and remove the water at least 2-3 times a day. So when you pass by and you remember, you can change the water. After today we will go ahead with the recipe. So see you in 2 days. Okay, after 2 days, in theory, because I was a little bit busy, so in my case now it's already 4 days. But don't worry, you can do in 2, 3, 4 days. The important thing that you change the water 2-3 times a day. After, you need to check the weight of your skin lemon. In my case is 400 grams. So upon 400 grams of lemon zest, you need 400 grams of sugar and 400 ml of water. Now we are on the fire under the pot. We add the sugar. When the sugar is well melted, we add the lemon skin. And be careful, you need to turn with the fire at the minimum power until all the syrup will be collected, we can say, from the lemon. After you remove from the pot and you put on this bed on the table, but you should use a baking paper. You put on the baking paper and you wait that they become at room temperature. After, you can use like this, you can eat, you can use for make other kind of dessert, or you can have with the tea, stuff like that, up to you. But if you want to improve the situation, you have to melt the chocolate and dip inside. But this one I'll show you later, because after that we have candied our lemon zest, we need to wait that they reach the room temperature. After 60 minutes, they are ready. We can recognize because that they are ready, because now they are transparent. So now with this, I will remove from the pot. I will put on the baking paper. Tomorrow we will cover the lemon zest with the chocolate. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed, I cut it the extremity in this way. They are very nice stick. I dip in the chocolate. The chocolate I melt it in the microwave. and after you should wait that the chocolate become hard again. Sorry about the mosquito, they are bite me everywhere. So now I will go ahead like this. I will eat one of these now to check if it's good. I have already eaten few. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. Write down in the comments any suggestion. At the end of the video I will show you the final result. Bye bye.